Hi kids, let's learn ABCs.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, rolling down the street. C is for cat, with a purr so fine. D is for dog, a friend of mine. E is for elephant, so big and strong. F is for fish, swimming all day long. G is for giraffe, so tall and grand. H is for hat, that we wear on the land. Let's learn the alphabet, you and me, from A to Z. It's easy to see. Every letter has a story to tell. Come on, let's learn them all so well. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jelly, a wobbly treat. K is for kite, flying up so high. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging in the tree. N is for nest, where birds are free. O is for orange, juicy and brown. P is for penguin, waddling on the ground. Let's learn the alphabet, you and me, from A to Z. It's easy to see. Every letter has a story to tell. Come on, let's learn them all so well. Q is for queen, with a royal crown. R is for rabbit, hopping up and down. S is for snake, slithering away. T is for turtle, slow all day. U is for umbrella, in the rain or sun. V is for violet, playing songs of fun. W is for whale, in the ocean blue. X is for xylophone, with a melody true. Let's learn the alphabet, you and me, from A to Z. It's easy to see. Every letter has a story to tell. Come on, let's learn them all so well. Ooh. Y is for yak, with a furry coat. Z is for zebra, with stripes like a boat. We've sung our song from A to Z. Now you know the alphabet. Sing with. Let's learn